ZABUMOORE. But yeah, for now, I'm stuck with the lane. Turning down the website off. Anyway, later I'll be running 21 km half marathon. This will be the longest run. This video is all about that. Faster, bro. Faster.
Shut up.
Faster, please,
Yow! Roar!
I need this by 6 p.m. Thank you, thank you. Feel naked with this new outfit, like especially the pants, sponsored by the man here, Jun. Thanks, bro. And the shoes. Doesn't feel like I'm wearing a shoe. Too light, too light.
Pretty sick, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, they look hella sick.
Okay, warm up, warm up.
Yeah. I am selling. Get a beer after this. Beer. that is my motivation.
So this comment came in, I think last night. And today I plan to run half marathon. So yeah.
So
thanks for motivating me, guys.
is it like a subscriber?
I hope so. I hope so. Alright, bro. Let's go. 21.5 is it?
21.25.
25. Alright.
22, man. Round it up.
Let's go 22. We are running from Bugis to Kallang Stadium. We'll do a few rounds until we hit 10 km, and then from there on we will go to Sengkang to finish up the 22 km.
And
Let's
grab
go.
a beer afterwards.
Grab a beer. Let's go.
That one, just like any, just like
Yeah.
sorry about it. No worries.
啲咪跛下流到個 stadium 呢嘛？啲人你好不過多呀。Don't fight, don't fight. Ui, don't fight.
Road is going to stay down.
You see that? Don't fight. No, we should have taken the highway. Then yeah. I don't know how we got here, but we have no idea where we are. We were supposed to be there at the stadium.
Listening to Dua Lipa.
But now we are heading towards MBS.
Expert navigator, guys.
Expert navigator. Chào mày. Lại.
The model net 人肉車人。video plus content 係嘛？就 post 出嚟㗎。
Running content 嚟講咯，嗰啲 TikTok 㗎呢邊都話。
加上同埋一啲喎。
好的。And we're back here again. Maybe these are people from the run club.
Yeah, maybe.
Never know.
加油加油！
加油加油！
加油 guys， 加油 ！Let's go, let's go.
That's basically June for you. 5.5 km. Water break. This view. almost 10 km. We're gonna grab some drinks and cheers. Let's go. Oh, cold. Snackies. Cheers. 點啊？咪到嚟啦。This banana bread. I hate banana bread, but I will still eat it.
I never drink coffee.
Another water break, but not drinking water.
Drinking some sugar. Whew. It's tiring though, honestly. My heart condition is fine, but it's my legs and my knees. Woo! But we'll get it done.
It's not painful yet, but it feels like, you know, someone is squeezing my knees. That's how I would describe the feeling.
It's like a slight discomfort.
Yeah. Let's see how many kms we're in. 16.4. Just a few more to go. Let's go. So far so good, actually.
This really helps.
Nah.
When you run an ultra,
I'm good.
Sally
It's
McRae,
cold, man.
who runs like 240-mile ultra marathons in the desert and shit. She does this, and she attributes her wins to like this cold water pouring over her neck, and she's got like a cloth damp with like this water, cold water, and she puts it over there, and she says that's how she wins her races.
Oh damn.
So that's me.
That's you. All right.
Songkran baby.
For now, all I'm thinking about is that diner over there. Some cheeseburger, some fries, and some Coke. That'll be perfect. Okay. Whew. Actually, all the food, they're all motivating me. There's this famous Pongo nasi lemak just right there. Another day. Okay, we're done. Yes?
Yes!
Alright. Careful.
I saw it.
That's for us.
Keep it for Rodeo Plus.
Alright.
Keep it for Rodeo Plus.
That's
Anyway,
for us. Alright. We're done, man.
Oh my god.
So done. I think time for some beers.
High time for some beers.
Just one.
Out of 10, I
Yeah.
think right now my heart is like at a 3 or 4. But my body, fuck my body, man. My legs though, they're like at about a 7.
I almost had stitches at the last 1 km.
Yeah.
But I was controlling my pace. But if I go any faster, I feel like I would get it. But I didn't get it. So
yeah.
like my
You were
stomach.
controlling, you were like slowing down a little bit,
Yeah.
like controlling a little bit. Yeah.
I can feel it.
I felt my legs.
My knees, okay. Not bad.
We're all cramping up, but we did it, man.
Yes.
Let's fucking go. Time for some beers now.
Two more weeks and we go for marathon.
You ready?
Yeah. I'm not so sure about that, but
I'm not sure. After today, I'm not so sure. Yeah.
but definitely I won't be able to get 4:30 that I want to get, I feel, because we take 21 half marathon around 3 hour plus, and I don't think I can keep up with the same pace for the next 21 km.
Like really?
I think so.
I think you were like pretty strong throughout. Like your pace was. Could you have gone faster?
Yeah, I could have gone faster, but
Yeah.
maybe faster then slow down to this pace, maybe. But I don't know. It's a long race. It's like we're just doing it a half, so
We did like 7:38 average pace. So I think could have gone faster, but if we go faster, do you think we can finish? I think we can.
I will
but
finish.
We will have like some walking in between, but we will
Yeah.
finish definitely for sure.
okay. We can't book a Grab here. We need to go somewhere. This is still like 3-4 bus stops away.
I think we can just like
Walk? Okay, let's go.
I'm fine with that. Let's go. Time for some beers.
Yeah. Familiar views. Wow. This ice water tastes so good, man.
Babka, terus look at ice babka and choose. And then I think around 4 degrees. Set dulu ya, temperature ice babka. So yeah, what do you?
咁啊，即啲人攞錯。
Ngabao mal. You wanna eat?
黐到啊！ Like you said, my vlogs are all about authenticity.
Damn, you fucked up bad.
It's alright, man.
It's fine. That's me authentic.
English is not my first language, so I can get away with it.
The discounts.
Currently walking back home, and then we will talk about the run later on. Alright, so first of all, my knees, they're killing me. Yeah, never experienced this kind of pain before, but they are just aching. Every step I can feel both my knees, screaming. Anyway, that was 22 km run, pretty easy for me. I didn't feel tired at all. I can go longer for sure, but I'm not sure about my knees though. Other than that, it was an incredible run. Yeah, feeling good about upcoming marathon. I have 2 weeks left, and yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't know what to train. I'm just gonna do a few 10 kms, 5 kms, 12 kms until 3 days, 4 days to go, and then I'll get like a proper rest and then go for the marathon. And by the way, I'm really thankful for all the comments that you guys have been putting up out there. It is those are the comments that will make me finish the marathon even stronger. So I really appreciate that. These people, incredible. They're telling me what to do, what not to do about the running and stuff like that, and I'm a total beginner when it comes to especially running marathon. So yeah, thank you for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Today's run, pretty easy, apart from the last 500 meter. Jun went a little crazy. He was like speeding. I tried to catch him, but I couldn't. I almost got stitches. Like, I'm like, oh nope, I'm just gonna keep up with my own pace. And yeah, that's how we ended things off. But so far so good. I'm feeling really good about, you know, this whole running the marathon thing. So yeah. And by the way, these shoes, my god, these shoes, Novel Blast 4, they are incredible. First of all, super light. I don't feel like I'm wearing them. And second of all, if I land on like a uneven ground, it feels just like, you know, a flat ground. And yeah, snow blister for sure. And yeah, this is not a shoe review, don't get me wrong. I'm comparing this to, you know, some of my Nike shoes which are not meant for running, Converse shoes which are not meant for running. I'm really sorry about the audio. These towels, they're making so much noise. But anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.